Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews on the market. Today, we have something special for all you clean freaks out there. We're diving into the world of floor cleaning with the Effortless Microfiber Mop, the best microfiber mop you can get your hands on. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a look at what makes this mop stand out from the rest. The Effortless Microfiber Mop is not your ordinary mop. It's the third generation of microfiber mops, and it's packed with amazing features. First, it boasts reinforced stainless steel poles that are not only thicker but also rust-resistant. No more worrying about a flimsy mop handle. The microfiber dust mop head is a game-changer. It's attached with a premium ABS connector, which means no more cracking issues. Plus, the increased gravity on the mop plate prevents those annoying flip-overs when you're cleaning. Cleaning just got easier with the 360-degree swivel head. You can reach those narrow places like under the couch and up on windows effortlessly. Say goodbye to bending over while cleaning. The sturdy and well-constructed handle is extendable, so you can adjust it to the perfect height for you. And here's the best part. It comes with 4 reusable microfiber mop pads. These pads are super absorbent, attracting and holding onto dust and dirt like a magnet. Plus, they're washable and reusable, so you'll always have a spare while one is in the wash. The Effortless Microfiber Mop is a versatile cleaning tool. It excels in both dry and wet use. Use it as a dust mop for collecting dust, pet hair, and dirt, or switch to wet mode for cleaning hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, and more. We've applied reinforced stainless steel poles for a long lifespan, and all materials have been carefully selected to ensure top-notch quality. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see what real customers have to say about the Effortless Microfiber Mop. As you can see, it has received glowing reviews from customers, with high ratings for hardwood floor cleaning, absorbency, value for money, and ease of use. In conclusion, the Effortless Microfiber Mop is the best microfiber mop on the market. With its durability, versatility, and top-notch features, it's a must-have for any home or commercial space. If you're ready to upgrade your floor cleaning game, click the link in the description below to get your very own Effortless Microfiber Mop now. Don't miss out on the chance to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing product reviews, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.